So hello everyone, myself Pirabrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the TCS Off-Campus Drive 2023. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe, and also you can visit to our official YouTube channel. So in the home page you can check out various latest off-campus drive related videos for JP Morgan, Nokia, HCL, and Cognizant, Infosys, Accenture, so and so. And also we have uploaded many videos recently about SQL concepts, and also in the upcoming days we'll be uploading many videos related to the data science. It's totally like free of cost, anyone can go and watch the videos. So I'll be putting the link to the latest off-campus videos or the latest off-campus drive detail videos, so that you can watch and apply for the other latest off-campus drives if you are willing to apply. And before discussing further, just I wanted to quickly show you one thing. So this is the next step, TCS next step portal. So you have to before applying for any position for TCS, you just need to log into this TCS next step portal, so or the page. If you have already have an account, then you can click on the login, or else you can click on the register now. So I am saying this at the very beginning because you might be having one account created or applied for the TCS off campus in the past days. So you can log in and you can check the details there from there. And if you've already created an account in the past, and if you don't have applied for any TCS off campus in the past days, within 6 months, then you can simply directly update the details, and you can simply click on the apply for the drive. It will save your time, right? So now let's discuss about the TCS off campus. So basically they are hiring for the TCS 2023 batch management professionals. They are hiring, that means MBA people. Currently they are hiring. It is not for the any technical background people like BTech or MTech candidates, or the MCA or the BSc candidates. It is for especially for the MBA candidates, and for the BTech candidates it is not active right now. We can expect somewhere between February in the next year, the off campus. And the registration end date is 15th December 2022, and the test date is 25th December 2022. And you can expect the results on by the December second week January, sorry. And so that means this is live right now. You need to apply by 15th December. And so now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria first. So basically this is the eligibility criteria. You must have completed the full-time MBA. That means it is not the 1 year or the people those who have completed their MBA in the distant learning, they are not eligible. Full-time learning is mandatory for this. MBA, MMS, PGDA, PGDM courses, marketing, finance, operating, supply chain management, information technology, business analytics, so and so. And percentage throughout the minimum 60% is needed throughout your academic career. And background should be BTech or prior to MBA is mandatory, because this is the prerequisite. And students completing the postgraduate in 2023 are only eligible. Other candidates are not eligible. And work experience up to 2 years people can apply, or else you cannot apply. And there should not be any career gap more than 24 months. That means more than 24 months. And age, I guess every candidates or the viewers belong to this age category, 18 to 28. And test pattern, the verbal aptitude, quantitative aptitude, and the business aptitude. So 90 minutes time will be there, and these are 3 sections. And as you know, this is not for the technical profile, so there will be no coding round. And so if you are interested, simply visit to the next career portal or the page. Here either you can log in if you have already created an account, or else you can click on the register now. So from here you have to select one of these. Suppose I am choosing IT. So once I have selected IT, then I have to register. So for that registering, you need to provide all the basic details like your title, your first name, last name, and date of birth, and gender, email address, it should be validated through the one-time OTP or the password. So if you've already if you don't remember which by using which email address you have created an account before, then after entering your email address and get one time via email, that time it will be saying that one like account is already there, or one account exists already with that specific email address. So that time you can recover your account details. And then phone number you need to provide, qualification, year of passing, and if you see here other like year of passing bids are available, but it is only for 2023. And nearest test office, so basically it's a offline written test, it will not be happening online, so you have to visit to the nearest TCS office, and there you have to take the test, like usually it used to happen before in the past years. And password you need to provide, secret questions you need to provide. Once you have completed provided all the details, you just simply click on the submit. So once you have submitted, you will be able to, like, it will be asking you about the academic career details and all, and there will be one CT or the DT ID will be generated. So please give the screenshot because later you may need all these things. So once you have registered, at the left button there will be one tab, apply for the drive. Just click on that and click on the submit. It will be capturing the date and place, then you can submit. So once you have submitted, you can check the status, and through the registered email address you will be receiving your identity card or the hall ticket, right? So this is all about the TCS off-campus drive 2023 or December 2022. So if you have any doubt regarding this off-campus or any other career related thing, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. I will try to help you as soon as possible.